back to my YouTube channel and welcome to probably the most exciting video that I have ever made. Welcome to our home, new home. We are currently in mine and Jonas' first apartment that we bought. The previous apartment, we have only rented that one, and finally we have bought our own. And today I'm going to take you on a tour around this new place. I can hear the sound is echoing a bit, but I hope it's okay. So I'm going to take you on a tour around this apartment and I'm going to show you what we are planning to do, because right now it's not that pretty, I have to say. I think the last time this got renovated was probably in the 90s, or yeah, I would say so. So yeah, and there's a lot of walls we're going to take down and so on. So behind camera today I have Elin. She's going to help me today, and let's start. Like this video if you want a lot of home interior renovation kind of videos. Let's go. So first out, here we have the door. And when we come inside, this is going away, all of it. Actually, everything that you see and a lot of walls that you will see today are going down. We will take everything out. And the first thing we have here to my right when we come in is this closet, or yeah, like a small closet. And I have no idea what I want to do with it yet, but I think like super nice organization, yeah, like a super good organized closet for, you know, stuff that you don't use a lot, I think. I'm not so sure yet. But anyways, we could take a spin around, and here you see the apartment, or what it looks like when you get inside. So here we have this super long corridor. Somebody told me that, okay, here you have your perfect like TikTok space. I was like, yeah, this is my TikTok catwalk. Here we are going to get new electrical and water like pipes. So to get those away, so we don't have to see them every day, we are going to make big closets from the floor all the way up, and just a lot of closets. Just a lot of closets, so that goes away, and so we have a lot of space for jackets and coats and shoes, and you know, need a lot of space. So when I guess like on this wall we will only have like some decor. Let's check. This is the living room, and of course I love that we have big windows and this pretty little, or nothing here is pretty at the moment, but it will be, I promise. This balcony with actually quite a nice view when the leaves were on. No, but I like it, and I know it will be fantastic when we are done with this space. But this is our living room. I guess since we have a door over there, this is where we will have our sofa. But I guess since we are renovating, it's probably like 6 months until we have an actual sofa. Moving on to the part that you can see on right now. This is the actually we have the toilet in a space here, and we have the bathroom in there. Let me show you. We have a disgusting little toilet over here that I would never even touch. Ew. And we have the bathroom over here, like that. We are going to take everything down away with everything. This wall is coming down, and here we will have the kitchen island, and the kitchen will be like inside there, and the kitchen island here. So we will definitely have an open space kind of solution for this apartment. And when we walk here, we have the kitchen, but this is of course then going to be our bathroom. So we get a bigger bathroom and a nice view. And I have a bit of a like struggle, like what are we going to do because the toilet will be here. So I'm a little bit like, okay, so how do we fix this that everyone can see you and you're doing your thing? So that I will have to think about. If you have any good ideas, I know there's like tape, but those only work while it's light outside, so when it gets dark they see everything, so they won't work. The shower will probably be here. We will have the sink over here, and also like when the shower is in the corner, we will have like a longer sink table. I don't know what it's called. And then the washing machine will probably be here where we now have a ugly old piece. So that's the bathroom. So excited to fix this old kitchen into a bathroom. Moving on to the rooms. So at the moment we have 3 rooms. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. This wall with this door, everything here will come down as well. So it will be a more of an open solution thingy here as well, meaning that we will get in more light to the kitchen. And this will probably be the office space, like my office, home office, and I think like my table will be here and I can sit and look outside. We are still not maybe 100% sure if that's what we will do, because we will have to see if we feel like it's too tight from the kitchen island to the table and the living room. So if that feels too crowded, then we will put the kitchen table maybe here and make this into more of a dining hall, which I would also love. So let's see what we'll do. But at least this wall is coming down. The bedroom will be here, and we will probably, I think, maybe we'll have like 1 closet. We will take this out and build a new one, but I think maybe 1 closet. Let's see, I'm not sure, because I really want this bedroom to be a bedroom. Like, we shouldn't be here unless we sleep. That's like the vibe that I want, because I feel like sleep to me is so important, and right now I actually work quite a lot from my bedroom, like making TikTok videos and reels, so I have a lot of work equipment in my bedroom, and that's not the thing that I want. I want it to be like, you sleep here, period. Moving on to the last room, and this is going to be well, maybe office / walk-in room, depending on where I'll have my office, home office, but at least it will be closets. There will be a lot of closets in here. And also, I have an idea, because I hate that Jona is a gamer. So, we will build him like a closet, like this, that you can open up, and then he will have his computer and table and everything like that. And when he's not gaming, I can just close the doors and be like, oh, no gaming space here. So that's my idea, because I really hate, sorry Jona, but I really hate at home that he has his like gaming space, and it just doesn't work with my interior. So that's how we will fix that part. So you guys, this is our apartment. I don't think I have realized that yet, that we actually have bought this place, because every time my friends are like, wow, congratulations, wow, that's amazing. I'm like, yeah, I guess so. So I think it will take some time. Even when we came inside here now today, me and Alien, I was like, shit, it feels like I'm breaking in or something, like I'm not supposed to be here, but it's ours, so I am supposed to be here. Anyways, I'm so excited to start renovating this place and to start decorating, and wow, yeah, so excited. And I hope that you are excited. Please let me know in the comments field down below if you are interested in interior vlogs and updates, because I would love to share with me this whole journey, but I know a lot of you follow me mostly because of my Scandinavian style and yeah, like fashion, but I mean there will be a lot of Scandinavian interior in here, so hopefully you want to follow that as well. So let me know and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you are excited, and see you in my next video. Have a lovely day!